Yeah, trade intuition, flipping charts, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. While it's packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
That's right, guys, let's shake it up. And once again, crypto is only as difficult as you make it. Right now, I am getting some warnings saying the network abnormal. So let's see if we can get this. Well, that's only on my MXC, but YouTube looks good. 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. We show you trading doesn't have to be as hard as most people make it. Support, resistance, that's all you need. Level by level, level by level. Now, right now, I am in a short and I'm in the negative. I'm in the negative. We're gonna get to that in just a moment. Before doing so, let's look at the crypto bubbles. This is the daily time frame. We do have IP still up. It's up quite a bit, but it may be coming down and coming down pretty hard. And then, of course, we have S is up. Maker is up. Don't chase them, guys. Don't chase them. If they're up already, don't chase them. Just wait for the retrace, and then you can enter. Then looking at the hourly time frame, we can see that a lot of green. Does that mean Bitcoin's going up? I hope not, because I'm in a short. I am in a short. I was in a short earlier. Well, actually, I was in a long, and then I was hedge trading, so I was in a long in profit, and then a short in profit. And then I ended, whoa, JTO just popped, oh my gosh. And then I ended up closing out my long because I was pretty sure it was gonna go down pretty nicely on the short, but we're gonna get to that in just a moment. One thing I do wanna look at really quick, liquidations. We can see that was earlier today. And now, this is on the 24-hour time frame. Let's kind of zoom in. Let's zoom in pretty good. And I'm not sure if y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm adjusting this down here. We do have a lot of liquidations. Right, well, I wouldn't say a lot, but it's hot, nice and bright at 98.8. We can just call it 98.9. It came really, really close, and then it came down. And now just kind of doing this number. Now, I do believe that Bitcoin is going to come down before going up. And that's not a big retrace, but somewhat of a retrace. And of course, with leverage, we can capitalize both on going down and up. Let's come over here to the 12-hour time frame, and let's look at what we got. It's real quick. Let's say hi to Julian. Julian is first. Julian is the winner today. Julian is the winner. That's right, guys. Julian is the winner. Julian is first. Thank you so much, Julian, for being first. You are the best. You're the best. Of course, we got a random trader in the house. Random trader is just shy of being first, but we will still give a random trader an award as well. Random trader is number two, second place. All right, good stuff, guys. I do need to put this as fading out because let's see here. Let's go fading. So we're going to try this one more time, and for the random trader and Julian. Oh, still does it. All right, it's all right. Let's see here. So on the 12-hour time frame, it's either up or down. The heat map is saying either up or down, 99 to 99.3, 99.1, or down 97.4, we can say, and 97.2, we can say. Hey, we got third place. Kulot is in third place. Congratulations, Kulot. Appreciate you. Make sure to smash the like. I greatly appreciate that. All right. let's go ahead and move forward to this. It can go up or down right now, according to the heat map. Literally, it's dead center. Dead center. So now we have to rely on price action. Price action, what do we think it's going to do? This is on the 1 hour time frame. I think this is just showing where I had entered, and then coming up, this was my other entry. And then I saw it coming up here, and then I placed a short coming down, and then I ended up closing my short. I ended up got stopped out in a profit. And right now I checked it maybe an hour ago. It's like, man, it doesn't look good on the lower time frames. We're gonna check that out in just a second. Now, if you're a pattern trader, you could be tricked and say, well, I think this is a bull pennant. And when I say tricked, I don't do patterns, but I do see them. You could call this a bull pennant, and this, of course, is a very nice bull flag. And then, of course, you can say, a breakout, we do this. Possible. But for me, I'm going on a short. Now, for the short, I'm looking just a small retrace, probably to here where my entry was. If not a little bit lower, but let's zoom out. Let's not get too hung up with the smaller time frames. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing on the larger time frames. Good evening. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate everybody for being here. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. All right. And thank you guys for smashing the likes. Like I said, that really does help support the channel. All right. See here. We got West in the house. West is a number 4, 4th place. And that's all we get. We get 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So West, appreciate you, man, for being here. Appreciate you for doing a comment as well. You are 4th. You are 4th. All right. Very nice. So now looking at this on the 4 hour time frame, we can see this is our liquidity zone, sell pressure area, reversal zone, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same. This is an area of possible reversal where the price might come down. Nobody knows, but we have a higher chance of it coming down. And especially with this nice run up, I wouldn't be surprised if it came down to about this level. Now let's go ahead and put a few filters on this. And by filters, I mean indicators. Let's go and do the, so whenever I have these, you can see it. Oh, you can see my the trades. Let's put this down here. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, so let's adjust this. I didn't even know this was on. But since it's on, we're just going to show it. That to that. And there. Hey, who's my favorite? Oh, a super chat. EW, get out of here. Wow, thank you, man. Appreciate you greatly. So this is our first super chat of the show. I do greatly appreciate you, and it does help support the channel. So thank you very much for doing that. Right now in the positive. Yeah, positive. All right, let's go. Now, just to let you know, I don't hoop and holler and clap and all right, who else made gains with me? This is not my first rodeo. It's not my first beer. I've done trades before and I've won trades. So I don't get super crazy like, oh yeah. And I just entered this trade too. We're going to show you in just a moment. But let's go ahead and do a fixed range volume profile. So you can see it right here. So whenever I click on any of my favorites, you can see it over here in the blue. Kind of hard to see with my border, but it is right here. If you go to this, you can see that I have certain stars on certain ones, and these are my favorites. It goes on my floating toolbar. And that way I can easily click on it and go from there. All right, so the one I have right now is my fixed range volume profile. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from this to this. Why am I choosing this area? Well, I'm gonna choose a few different areas, but this is the beginning of this range. And the reason for it is because this is the lowest point of this area. So I'm gonna have one here, and I'm also gonna have one here, because this is the lowest point of this run up. So we're going to do one more from this area to here. And we can see that we have a really nice level or levels of volume. So all this is buy and sells. So let me explain this to you really quick in case you're not sure what this is. This shows you the amount of buys and sells. The lighter gray are the sells. The darker gray are the buys. And wherever there was the majority of the activity creates the POC, point of control. This is a level. Now, granted, with this level, the strength that I put on this is about a 4 out of 10. The strength that I put on moving averages, about a 4 out of 10. And this right here, let's go. This is a anchored VWAP. So this gives me volume information as well. And with this one, I mean, it varies, 4, 6. I wouldn't say 6. I'd say 4. These are all 4s. Sometimes I might say it's 6, but it's just know that it's a low. So it's a 4. Now, whenever I do a level, for example, I don't think I have one right here. Let's say I do this level right here. And we're going to make this one white. This level is strong. This is a close. This does not move. The more information we get, the more buys and sells, more volume that comes in. These will adjust to the, say we get a really high volume here, a lot of buys and sells, well, then this will move. But this level right here doesn't move. This anchored VWAP is a volume, and this is the average, kind of like a moving average. This is the average of the volume, the buys and sells. So this right here is anchored from this location all the way over, and it gives me the volume. Now, what I use this for is just to see the momentum. Is the price above it or below it? None of these are magnets. There's a lot of people out there that call these magnets. It's not. It's an average. This one is an average. This one is where the most transactions occurred. It's not a magnet. It's just telling you what happened. Now, when the price action comes down, could it find resistance? Sure. Why? Because it's a magnet? No, it's an average. It's an average of the closes. I mean, it's an average of the transactions. Could it find support? Sure. Does it mean that it will bounce off of this? Nope. Exhibit A. Why? Because this is the average of the volume. It can go up, it can go down, it can do whatever it wants. But this is the average. So if the price is up here and it's coming down, there's a pretty good chance that it might go to the average. Not a magnet. Doesn't have to go down. It can come down and then come right back on up. Doesn't even have to touch it. This is the average of where they closed or the transactions were at. All right. So now looking at this, I am at a loss. I am losing my trade. Oh no, should I panic and sell? No. Why? Well, I'll show you in just a second. Let's see here. Going down the list. Hey, we got Road Dog in the house. Thank you, Road Dog. Appreciate you, man. Yes, definitely smash the like. Of course, we were on Road Dog, but Road Dog normally finishes about right now. But unfortunately, and we all know this, the more you talk, the more it stresses your voice. And he had one of his master classes. It's a training class for his YouTube members. His memberships, very inexpensive. He's not in it to get rich off of you guys. He's in it because he loves doing what he does. And he had a master class earlier today. And I think like an hour before he started his live stream at 10:30. And dude killed it. Dude absolutely killed it. So definitely check out my buddy, Road Dog. Oh, and I have this thing in here too. So bingo, bango, bingo and a mango. See, EW says, hey, Joe, I made it. Thank you, EW. And thank you for the super chat, man. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you, my friend. See, we got Jade Violet in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. We got Sam in the house. Thank you, guys. Jade Violet says, LOL, out chat last night about Lifer. Okay, hold on. So did you do what you said you were gonna do, where you went to Lifer's chat or live stream and asked him how did he make his money, and then he outed you and banned you? Is that what you're saying? I don't understand. Let's see. EW says, oh no, now he's on the spot. We're all there. Oh, now he's on the spot. We're all here. Oh, nice. Very nice. See, Retro Mike says, is this the midnight 8-hour stream? No, no, no. Hopefully just an hour. I only have one bottled water. This is my fuel. This is my fuel. Do a whole bunch of talking. Whole bunch of talking. All right. See, here we got Kelly in the house. Thank you, Kelly. And we got Melissa. Thank you, guys. You guys are the best. Appreciate you, R.S. Miller. Thank you so much. Yeah, it was a good class. It was a great class. Very educational. Road Dog, he of course, you know, does his research. He knows the percentages for all the, it's not 68% chance up, 68% chance down. That's how I learned. Everything was 68% chance, everything. And quick story time. We're all friends here. So there was one day, I said, you know what? I don't believe it's all 68% chance. And so I started doing research, and I didn't know about that one website that Road Dog always refers to. I knew about it later, but I didn't know about it at that time, where it gives you percentages. And Bluskowski, Broskowski, something with the ski in it. And so I'm doing research a good, man, I don't know, 4-6 hours for 3 days each day doing that. I got all these different, there's 74% chance, 68% chance, 62% chance. There's a whole bunch of different ones. And I did a PDF, and I updated my previous group's PDF where it just had the patterns. So I had the patterns and all of the percentages. And then the very last page, I had all my sources. And I was very happy with it. It took me 3 days, about 4 to 6 hours each day. Finally, I finished it, and I presented it to my boss. And I said, man, I worked really hard on this, 3 days, isn't that, blah, blah. He looked at it, not even a minute, because we were doing a chat, a call. Not even a minute. I was like, no, I'm not going to use it. I'm still sticking with my 68% chance. Because it's easy. It's easy for people to know. And I was like, seriously? I was like, man, I spent a lot. You're not going to like look at it just a little bit? He goes, no, I don't need to. It's 68% chance. I said, okay. I was like, ouch. Ooh, I'm going to get stopped out. Let's see. What's it says? Bingo bango. A bingo and a bango. Lunar Beaches Crypto in the house. What's up, my friend? What's up? Oh, I don't have it on this one. But let's see here. Very nice. Let's see here. All right, very good, very good. All right, so this is Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so here's the 15-minute. So I decided to get into a short again because I was already in a short, and then I believe I closed it or I got stopped out here. I went to a short earlier on my live stream. I believe my live stream was like short here, but anyway, I'm gonna get stopped out. So then I saw this. Well, let me just show you my screen, and I'm gonna get stopped out already, so it's okay. So let's turn that off. Turn this over, and this is my $10 leverage trading account that we turned to $25 and $35, then back to 10, then to 40, then back to 10, then up to 50, and then Solana wrecked me. Solana absolutely wrecked me. I thought I was given a gift by shorting at the best opportunity, very high leverage, 87x, and I put up my slider all the way over, and that trade lost me $15. Now $15 may not sound like a lot, but when you only have $50 in the account, well, you took it up to 50 from 10 to 50, that $15 is a lot. And I was like, ouch. And I was really looking at getting an easy $15, $20 within like 2 minutes. And I said, man, it's great. So I entered it and lost $15. So now I'm back to, I think I made some money. So now I guess I'm back to like 30. So for this one, I saw, here are my levels. And I have my magnitude on, candle body closes right there. And then this one, candle body close right there. So these are my levels. When the price action closed underneath here, I was like, all right, I'm going to enter the short. And then right when I enter the short, it does this like every 30 seconds. I don't know why it does it. But as soon as I enter the short, it started going up. It started going up. It's okay, no problem. You know, I wanted to hopefully get a better entry right around my VWAP, which is my blue level. I wanted here, and sure enough, it started coming up. Tested it almost, or tested it again almost. And then on this one, I put my order in, and of course I'm a stop loss right here. I put the order in and it hit. It's like good. Came down, looking good in the positive, coming up. Ooh, not liking that. Breaking above this level. Coming down, okay, good. Now I need the candle to close underneath my orange line, which is my 30 SMA. It's not doing it. Right now I'm a little worried. Right now, the possibility of me losing this trade is around 85%. 85% chance I'm gonna lose this trade. I needed these candles to start closing underneath this 30 SMA, not doing it. Now, instead, it's closing above my 9 SMA and also my VWAP. Now, this one is giving me hope because I have a red with selling pressure. But right now, this is green. It's not giving me hope. I'm pretty sure I'm going to lose this trade. Now, the amount that I'm going to lose, it's like 50 cents. So it's not bad. But in reference, so I did the math. The other day. And Lunar Beaches asked me a question in reference to, you know, pretty much my risk to reward. He asked about margin, but the real question I believe was, you know, my risk to reward, you know, what is my risk to reward? And on the risk to reward, I did a screenshot of it. And right now I'm trying to see if I can find it. But it turns out that I'm actually doing about 3%, 4% of my portfolio, which I'm saying that it's $50. Man, I have it here somewhere. Let me see if I have it into my downloads. I don't think I have it in my downloads. Let's see. No, I actually put it in my YouTube folder so I could find it really easy. And of course I can find it. Of course I can find it. And I put it with an exclamation point too, so that it could be at the very beginning. And should be somewhere here. And of course I don't see it. But in reference to that, it was around anywhere between 2% and 4% of my trades, of my balance. So my balance was, when it was $25, my stop loss on average was about 50 cents. And sometimes I would put it, man, I can't believe I can. Sometimes I would put it to where I was risking $1. But as soon as I would go, now, even though I was risking $1, as soon as the trade would come down, like 20% or 20 cents, I would close the trade. I was like, nope, I don't like it. I can't believe I can't find it. Man, that is so disappointing. Oh, well. Oh, well. I don't know what that is. But I don't think that's it. Now, this is here. I'm going to go to the chat really quick. If you have any coins, questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know. Let me know. Let me see if I can do a search. It was this, and then risk management. I think I saved it as risk management. Risk management PNG. Here we go. Okay. So it opened up like this. How do I make this bigger? I don't want to print this. Risk management. Okay. Now it should come up. Here we go. Okay. So if I'm doing $1 as risk, and it's on a $25 account. Now, granted, I'm not putting all $25 in the trade. I'm only putting like $4 or whatever it is, depending on the amount of leverage. But I'm willing to lose $1 on that trade. So I'm actually doing 4% of my portfolio, which is kind of high. All the books, they say 1 to, I believe, 2%. But I mean, it's going to take forever to move this money or to increase it. But once you get to $40 and you're risking $1, again, I'm not putting all the $40 in here. This is just my total for my leverage account. Then I'm using 2.5% of my portfolio. I'm willing to risk 2.5%. So this is better. Then when I had it up to $50, I was risking 1%, except for that dumb Solana trade. Then I'm using 2%. So that's how that works out. All right, moving on. All right, so come back over here, looking at the chats, looking at the chat. Let's see here, close this out. Looking at the chats, let's see here. Okay, going to the list. Win LBC emoji. Oh, these are contributors, financial contributors. I'm a poor man. I got $14 in the bank and I lose it. No, I'm playing. I know these are the contributors, the ones who help out with the channel, stuff like that. But you're welcome. You're welcome to help out with the channel. Welcome to help out with the channel. And of course, if you want to put the waves, now I really do like your PNG file that you have on your MAD. I like the surfer dude or the surfboard. I think that looks really cool. But you can just go to search emojis and type in wave. And this is Lunar Beach's wave. Now, of course, Retro Mike is one of the, I think, all-time high contributors. So we have his emoji. And then we also have the mod queen because, well, she's the mod queen. So this is her emoji. And then, of course, we have Jesse. He contributes a big time to the show with a bunch of his coins that he calls out. Now, all the coins that he calls out, I don't agree with all the coins. There's been 2 of them that I have said, nope, don't like it, not going to do it. And sure enough, out of all the coins he's called out, those 2 that I said don't like it, like a week or 2 later, they're all pumped. Just because I don't like them, that doesn't mean they're not going to make money. It's just I don't like them because of the market cap, because of the manipulated moves, because of the low trading volume, because of how easily people can get duped into buying it and then them actually making the price go up. So there's a lot of things that I look at when I'm looking at a coin. I don't just chart a coin that somebody says. I investigate. And then, of course, we have a username. Username also as a special emoji. It's a helmet. It's a foam helmet with the charting. So whenever username charts, he has to put on his foam helmet. We were on Crypto Coin Mindset Friday night. It's Crypto on the Rocks, where we just kick back, drink a couple, just relax, talk about the week stuff and talk about the economy stuff and just everything. And username was on there talking about his trading helmet because I'm always, talking about him or whatever. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna make you a helmet because he does contribute also to the channel, very much so. So just kind of give you a heads up. All right. Let's see here. I miss my border collie emoji. Yeah, what happened to it? Something I missed? Jay Violet says, "Oh, like an emoji." Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's see. I need more memberships because right now I'm at the limit. I'm at the limit of emojis. But once we get more members, and definitely, I'd love to put you on there. Definitely. See, Retro Mike Tech says, one day, Joe, we'll have a Gary emoji. I know it. That was so funny too when they asked for Gary, and it's like, oh my gosh, Gary. And right away, Lunar Beaches, really? Mods, admins. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, of course, YouTube is saying you are not receiving enough. Hey, got a super chat. EW, thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate you greatly. I did that so that we can see it nice and big. Appreciate you, man. You're the best. You're the best. Thank you so much. But it was so funny. Lunar Beaches right away. He's all, are you for real? Are you asking about it? Or are you just, whatever. And he was gone already. It's like, yeah, Garvey, man. I don't know. Retro Mike, he said he's looking into it though. And Retro Mike says it might be something. I don't know if Retro Mike's joking, but we'll see. EW says, hey, thanks, Joe, for the invitation. Glad to be here with everybody. Oh, yeah, definitely, man. When you get a chance, how about Jupiter on XC, please? Yeah, definitely, man. We'll do that right now. Let's do that right now. Let's bring this back over here. And that way we can see if I'm winning or losing. Let's come over here. And let's go to, what is this? Yeah. And I'm losing 2%. Do I panic and sell and get out? No, of course not. So here, Jupiter. All right. Ooh, this is Jupiter, and we got stopped out. Dang it. So let's do a clean chart. Ooh, look at this. So this one was done earlier today on Piper Academy. It was at 5:45. And this is SUI, and we're saying even though it ran up, we could enter now and then have a lower entry, because I would think that it's going to pull back. It didn't pull back. Still going strong, and it's been going all the way down here to here, 22%. That'll work. I would like to see a retrace though. I would like to see something like this. And then we can get it on the retrace and then come up. So that's what I was hoping for here, but we'll see. All right, so let me go ahead and put this one on the watch list. YouTube rapid fire. Okay, and then now let's do Jupiter. USDT, MEXC. Okay, this one we also gave on YouTube on January 22nd, which was here. And it hit our first target. Very nice, very fast too. Did we only do one target? Yeah, we did. Hit our first target very fast, and then it came down, retested this. This would have been the break of this level. The break of the, so it came out down. Yeah, so once it broke this level, like this would have been a really nice entry again to enter. And then this would have been my target too, because it's underneath this barely. I might have had the target a little bit lower. Now, granted, I'm not saying this because I know what happened. I'm saying this because this is what I do. It's underneath this area right here. First target would be about right here. So just about the same spot. And then we would have hit it again really quick. And then it came down. Now, granted, this would not have been the only target. This would have been the first of, say, 2, maybe 3. And then it came down, and then it came down here. And then more than likely, we would have been stopped out. So we would have lost after winning. It came down here. So let's go ahead and erase all this. What's this over here? Oh yeah, so these were directions on the entry. So let's go remove 21 of our drawings. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's look at this on a bigger picture. And we can see that we're right underneath resistance. Right underneath it. Make sure everything's showing up. So this is a nice zone that we're in. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm basically looking for levels, but I'm just trying to show you that, I mean, they pretty much go all the way across, but let me go ahead and get these official levels. So this is one, I thought we were actually underneath it. Let's see here. I'm trying to look for yeses and nos. I'm trying to look for positives and negatives. Right now I see a positive, but I'm trying to look for why I wouldn't enter this trade. I don't see a reason why I wouldn't enter this trade. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. . 4 hour time frame. 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 4 I think this one's going to do just like Sui, where it goes up. Now, the only bad part, did I get stepped out already? No. I'm going to get stopped out. Just got stopped out. The only bad part that I see on this is that if Bitcoin comes down, I'm afraid all these coins are going to come down. That's the only bad part. So for here, I would like to do, this will be my buy zone. This would be the actual area that I would enter, lower entry. This one, it's a buy right now. It's a definite buy right now. YouTube entry. Text. Still haven't updated this. This is February. It's 21st. Man, February's already gone. It's crazy. 12:35. See, I think, let's see. Let me see what all this is. See, I wonder when Bitcoin will break above 98.8. Think we're going to go down tonight. I thought we were. Right now it's coming up. It's looking strong. I think FOMO's setting in. I don't know why. Bitcoin looks like it wants to pump. Yep. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Yeah. So right now, this is, we would do an entry now. How low is this? Is it like 15, 20%? Ooh, 8%. Ooh, that looks good. That looks really good. Okay, so we enter now. We have a lower entry here. And I think Bitcoin's gonna pump. So it's dangerous if Bitcoin breaks above this before retracing. It really is. Because when it comes down, you can pump and then pump and then pump. And when it comes down, it's going to come down hard. This is dangerous. I'm worried about that. All right. Let's see here. So I'm thinking this, if Bitcoin pumps, if Bitcoin pulls back and then pumps, we might see this. But I think this is a good entry right here. Here's our level. What is our price range tool? Tell us 20%. I'll do that. So I'm going to set this underneath these candle body closes. Got a lot right here. Of course, YouTube is saying there's not enough video. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever it says. And then it's underneath this. So this will be where my first target would be. So we're going to do this right here. Target sub 50%. And we'll do this. Coordinates. Copy. That way it's really easy to see. Targets. And we'll do this lower entry. Make it look nice and official. Move this over. This one is going to be blue because that's what our entries are. And then as far as our stop loss, about 18%. Now, granted, you may be thinking, oh my gosh, 18%? Dude, that's a lot. Not really, because this is just our first entry. This is our first entry, so we're only putting in 50%. You never go in 100%. You put 50% in. So if it does come down and then this one hits, well, then you're only losing 11% of this. But it's 50%. So it's not as bad as it seems. Let me see here. What else? Oh yeah. Just to make it look official. Copy. Oh, let's see this here like this. Stop loss. Like it. Now we do have this zone right here. This zone is sticking out like a sore thumb. You have to be careful with this zone. I like using the magnet tool because it snaps in place. And this, I will do it like a gray. So I'm going to come up to about here, right where this one is. This is the so we have a range high, range low, and mid range. So this is why I put my area right here, because it coincides with this. Then possibly break back down just to get support here to come up, break this level. We can enter. So these would be the entries. You enter now, not financial advice. You enter on the break of this. You can enter here, and then if this creates a pivot, then you would enter again here. Depends on how many you want to do. 2 entries, 3 entries, but the main thing is not to do 1 entry. Here, Kelly, yes. CJ says maybe just that little rise at the end of the bear flag. On what? On Bitcoin? You see a bear flag? So this one, if you're a pattern trader, this will be a bull pennant. I'm not a pattern trader, but I do see patterns. And so this would be a bull pennant here to here, from here to here. It is breaking out to the upside, so all the pattern people are screaming and really, really happy, clapping. And this is our measurement. If you're a pattern trader. If you're a support resistance trader, we see that we have resistance right here and also resistance right here. And we'll see if it goes up, gets rejected, comes down, creating a double top. Now your bull pennant turns into a double top. If we break this level, this is the neckline. The measured move for this double top would be about right here. Yeah. See here, I'm thinking it comes up and rejects value area high at 98.4. 98.4 is right here. So 94 is right here. Okay, 94. I think it's going to go a little higher. It's about here, 98.5. But I agree. Now you may notice that I don't have my value area highs or value area lows. You may notice that. Why don't I have it? Well, let me explain why. Well, first let me put on the chart. Come over here. Value area high, we'll do it in green. Value area low, we'll do it in red. Did I do it right? Oh, I'm gonna do it in blue. Do it in blue. All right. Now the reason I don't have my value area high. Now I do notice that the value area highs, I think, are different. So I don't use it because this just tells me the highest point, and the low just tells me the lowest point. But this tells me there was a lot of volume here. But I know there's a lot of volume here just because this is where there was a lot of ups and downs. It wasn't like a straight up. Like this, I know is a low volume node, and I come over here, it's lower than this. Where else? This is a low volume node because it just went straight up. but I don't put the value area highs or the lows. But this one has a lot of now what you could also do, and I do agree with this, is you could actually look at where there's more volume and you can create little boxes. Now I don't do it because you can go from here to here, and this is subjective too. Everything's subjective. You can do something like this, and let's do a yellow, see if it stands out a little bit more. You can do something like this. And so this is like a zone or a range where there's more volume. I can't even talk. And then you can do another one where there's a nice peak, like here's a nice peak, here to here. So the where it has more, it's called a peak. Where it has less, it's called either a trough or a valley or low volume node. There's all these different names for them. Then here, of course, we have our point of control. So all these are levels. Now, granted, for me, I see these, but I really don't pay much attention to them. I look at this. I look at this was an area where it stopped. So for me, this has more weight than this. And that's just for me. Let's see here. See, I have a lovely hate relationship with the magnet tool. Yeah, so what you want to do is when you have the magnet tool on, if it's not snapping in place where you want it to snap, just extend the chart. And then now it'll snap in place wherever you want it. But yeah, if there's too many candle body closes or wicks and it's not snapping exactly where you want, just do this. This is a little trick. And then boop, and I get it. See here, Artist Miller says, I'm gonna go shopping. I got paid. Ooh, doggy. Look at you. Very nice. See, bear flag on the 5 minute. Ooh, 5 minute. Let's go. Let's go 5 minute. Bear flag, 5 minute. Don't see a bear flag. This. I mean, if it, I can't see it, and I'm trying to see it too. I mean, kind of, I guess. Let's see here. Kelly says, PI finally launched, selling off hard. Yeah. And everybody was thinking that too. As soon as they get started, because everybody was mining it for what, 5, 6+ years. So it's a huge accomplishment that they finally got on an exchange. Huge accomplishment. And then give it like 3 months, everybody finished selling off. And then if you like the project, well, then you can get the coin. Not financial advice. CJ says, I was wondering why you don't have them. I turned them on in the settings. I turned them on. Yeah, I don't. To me, they don't serve a purpose. I mean, I can just look. I can just look and see. Like if I'm gonna do, and that's a lot. There's a lot of stuff that I don't do because I can just see it. So if I'm gonna do from here to here, I know that this is my lowest point, unless, you know, I had something here and it went lower than this. Well, then I know that's my lowest point. And then same thing on the highs. I know this is the highest point. Unless one comes up here and it does a higher, well, then I know that's the highest point. And all it is for me is selling pressure, because like there might be a wick right there. So I know that's a liquidity zone or selling pressure area. But to me, it's just more lines on the chart that I don't need. Same thing with all this stuff. I don't need them on the chart. To me, this looks much cleaner. And then if I wanted to, I could take this off too, and then just have this. Or I could just go and zoom in. That way I'm like right on it. Because if you're kind of zoomed out like this, like you can be off by a few $100s. But if you're zoomed in like this, and you do your let's see here, where's my trend line? Take out my magnet tool, come over here, and I go right on it. So right here is good. Hold down shift, go across so you make a straight line. Put this in red, Now I know that this is my point of control. And then if I wanted to, I can just take this off. So again, fewer lines. Once again, I hold down shift. I do this. Click on this, hold down shift, do this. Boop, done. And this is my PLC. Now, if I even want to get fancy with it, I can go right here, go to text, and then type in PLC. And that's weird. This O is red. I'm not sure why that's set. But let's go ahead and see if I can change the color to this. See if it, that's weird. The O is red. See if I say okay. Oh, there we go. So there you go. And this I know would be from here to here, from this little small move. So I just cleaned up my chart big time. But it is helpful though to see this. I'm not gonna lie, like it is helpful to go from this move to this move, because I just want to see this to see this. To me, this is valuable information. All this, because this is telling me that there was a lot of people buying and selling right in this area. So more than likely, you know, if the price, look at this, it's gonna come down and it's gonna go to way down here to my point of control, and I'm out of the trade. Dang it to heck. But I put my stop loss really tight just in case it flips and it gets super crazy bullish. Let's see here. I do mark some high volume nodes, yeah. And that's smart to do. In my opinion, that's smart to do, because that's where there was more buys and sells. So that could serve as a support resistance level. Granted, it's not as strong as the actual stops, but again, it is a level. So I think that's a smart thing to do, CJ. See here, I saw that Kelly. I saw that Kelly. My bro has a bunch of pie and he can't get KYC done to transfer to an exchange. Ooh, that sucks. And the price is going to keep on going down and down and down. All right, Spinner says 101112. Not sure if you're giving me a phone number, but maybe that's a high volume node. Maybe that's your target. Not sure what else it could be. Let's see here. So hopefully you like that Jupiter call. Lower entry. You just got to worry about this. But hopefully we can come in, get rejected off of the mid-range, and then come back down, fight support. Boop, come on up. Come on up. I do like it. Let's see here. Can we enter the short again? Nope, cannot. Why can we not enter the short again? I have rules. So my rules for entering a short, the price action has to be underneath my 9 SMA. It has to be underneath my VWAP, and hopefully underneath a 30, but sometimes that doesn't happen until later. And then once it crosses underneath my 30, then it's just giving me more confidence of my short. But right now I can't open a short. Can't do it. I want to do it. Can't do it. It's too risky. Too risky. Now I do think it's going to come down before it goes up. It would be healthy if it goes down before it goes up. But I mean, it could always go up and continue going up. I really don't want to see that, because FOMO's going to start kicking in. And you know what? Let's look at Jupiter. Solana, man, Solana messed me up so bad. I know I keep on talking about it. They took all my money. Took all my money right here. Right here. It moved far away from my VWAP, and I'm thinking it's going to make a lower high. Come on. This thing really gets me upset. I was going to say pissing me off, but I don't want to say that on YouTube. Let's see it. So here we had a high, lower high potential is coming down, breaking below my 9 SMA. I entered the trade, very high leverage, a lot of money, and then whoop, lost a lot of money. That's too much money. But let's look at Jupiter. Let's look at Jupiter on a leverage trade. I'm done looking at Solana. Solana, you made me upset. Ooh, this one. You feeling D-Jenny? You feeling D-Jenny? Let's go Pump City. How much is this move? Depending on how much this move is it like 5% or is this like 35%? 7%, man. So I can't trade with no 31x leverage. Let's go 10x. Let's go D-Gens. Let's just have some fun. So we're just gonna do $2. $2 at 37. Sounds good. Let's go put it in. Okay. What's my liquidation? 138. We're just having some fun right now. So my liquidation's way down here, which is fine. I want a lower bid right here, 144 and then 2. 144 and then 2. There's 3/4 in there. And I'll do another $2. And we're gonna go long. And it should be, should be right there. Let's go, D-Gens. Let's go, D-Gens. See, CJ says, that sucks. So has a little, yeah, it has been. It's been tough, man. See, Kelly says, my friend has PI, but doesn't want the KYC. Have him transfer it to somebody. I tried to short Sol too, and I had to cut my short at like a $50 loss. Yeah. See here. I keep killing it on ARC. Oh, yeah. Let's look at ARC. Let's look at that one. See, all day, like big scales. It was holding a clean trend line all day. Long at trend line, short at resistance over and over. Dude, nice. Very nice. All right, so we'll leave that one there. And then let us do duplicate. So let us do ARC. See what we can look at ARC. Right now, this is the DJN portion. Of course, questions are still encouraged. Charts are still encouraged. But right now, we're just having some fun. Just having some fun. Just having some fun. We're up 20%. Well, let's go. Let's go. Kyoto. Guess you pronounce it. I don't know. Come on, Mixie. Let's go, internet. Come on. So we have our short, our long here, and we're in a long. We're looking for just about right here. You know, maybe right here. See if we get that nice pump again. But let's go to ARC. ARC, I think it is. Yeah, ARC. ARC. Here. I guess it's this one. Ooh. Is it this one? ARC Soul? So for this one, ouch, man. I would have liked to have done it short, but where would I have done it? Hey, we got Diaz in the house. What's up, Diaz? Appreciate you, man, for being here. See here, fellow crypto trader, let's go. Much support. Appreciate you, man. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any charts you want me to do, let me know. Right now, we're just playing around, just playing with some leverage. CJ says that finally broke trend a couple hours ago. So here, look at that trend line on the 5 minutes. I'm on the 5 minute time frame. So you take off my VWAP and my moving averages. Let's see here. Let's go 1 hour. So we have this really nice downtrend, really nice uptrend. Right now, starting to, this looks like it wants to roll over. Looks like it wants to break this level and this level to come to about here. 1740, 1758. That's what it looks like it wants to do. Looks like it wants to roll over. So in my opinion, for this is ARC SO, in my opinion, it's best not to short until it breaks this level at 0.2084 and not too long until it breaks this level. 0.241, 0.2421. I mean, you could try to long it coming down here, but for me, I wouldn't. It looks too much like it wants to come down. Let's go back to Kyoto. 62%. Let's go. Let's freaking go. 87%. Let's go. Let's take off 50% of this market. And did I do 50%? Yep, sure did. Close, short. I mean, close long. And do we secure our profits? I think we did. Maybe not yet. I don't know. Order submitted, successful. And very good. Where's, oh, I was gonna say, where's all my stuff at? 90%. Let's go. So we'll have our 186.86. 186.86. See here. 186.86. It's long. So we'll have a target up here as well. This one we can close. And then also I need to set my stop loss 155.86. 155.86. 155.86. 155.86. 155.86. 155.86. Now, I clicked on it a long time ago, and it for some reason it takes like 30 seconds for it to register. I don't know why. So it should be up in another 8 seconds. It's been doing that for like 5 days now. Kind of freaks me out a little bit. Come on, let's go. Let me put my stop loss. Should go any moment now. Finally. We'll do 60 now. Confirm it. Let's go. So I'll get 45% on this. And again, this is a $10 account that we did to $25, that we did to $35, then back down to $10, then to $40, then back down to $10, then $50, then from $10, guys, went to $50. But then I was dumb and I went and did some very 87x leverage Solana, thinking it was going to come down and more than I would normally trade with. And then boom, I lost $15. You may think, $15 is nothing. $15 is a lot of money when you're only having a $50 account. It's a lot of money. And it's like, man. So right now I'm starting from scratch again. Well, not really, but I think it was like $35. And then right now I lost a Bitcoin short trade. I think it was like 50 cents that I lost. So I keep my losses pretty short, pretty tight. And we're probably gonna get stuck down. Let's go, pump it up, pump it up. ARC USDT, yeah. I didn't see that one. Let's try it again. All I see is ARC SO, but I'm on XC though. I don't know if it's only on certain exchanges. Let's see here. Come on. That takes forever. See here, CJ says, I'm out of the trade when it broke that upward trend line that I had. I wouldn't be able to deal with that delay. Yeah. It drives me crazy. It really does. ARC? Yeah, I don't have it here. Not on XC anyway. Let's go. Don't do a sell off. Come on. Pump it up. Pump it up. Now, the reason I entered this trade, of course, it was above, this is where we entered it right here. It was above my VWAP, above my 9 SMA and my 30, and it just looked good. Could it have come down? Sure, but that's why I had a lower entry here. I had one entry here, a lower entry here. I was really hoping this lower entry would hit before it bounced, but it is what it is. We took our profits. See, blowfin. Yeah, I have blowfin. I just don't know what okay, I'm gonna sell. I see a red. Close, flash, close. Okay, flash, close. Let's go. Close it out. Okay, okay. And if it pumps, it's okay. If it pumps, it's okay. I'd really rather to see it come down and then go up. So we'll see. Sell off on XRP. Well, let's look at XRP. Okay, how much did we make on this one? $1. Come on, $1. $1. Let's go $1. Take a break. Man, it takes forever. And it's not because I'm streaming either. This I don't know if it's my VPN messing with MXC or MXC messing with me. I don't know. Up and down we go. Up and down we go. Wow, that's loading. See, Jupiter's coming down. Bitcoin's still trying to go up. It's on a 15-minute time frame. Okay. Wow. First one says, it flipped. Have no idea what you mean by it. You have to be very specific, please. Not bad. Overall, we got 80% on this. We made $2, guys. That's pretty amazing. Let's go. Let's go. I like it. I like it. Come on down. Now, what I could do is I could try it again and then have my lower bid down here. 10x leverage. Because I don't think it'll dump. So let's try this again. Again, not getting too greedy. We're going to do $2. And it's probably going to move. So we have $2 right there. We're going to do $2 right here. 148.17. So 48.17. And we'll put $2 in. I'll put $4. Why not? $4. Okay. Okay, and that should be good. If it does come down here, I don't think it'll just come all the way down. It could. It can do whatever it wants. Let's look at the bigger picture. We never did that. We just looked at the sell-off and then the down. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So initially it got on this and it dumped, which normally they do. Then it came up really nice and then we just caught it down here. So it's still brand new, pretty much. Let's go 15-minute time frame. And it's above our levels on the hourly, which is good. See here, Bitcoin just can't make up its mind. Tell me about it, man. I'm telling you. I just opened a week's account and they gave me $200 for free. What? Get out of here. That's awesome, man. I was watching the XRP chart. Oh, okay. Yeah, XRP bounced off the 618 retracement. Very nice. Come on. Good Lord. So 15-minute time frame. Okay, looks like we might get this entry. We have the 9 SMA white line crossing above our VWAP blue line, which looks like they both went across the orange line 30 SMA on the 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. All right, 5-minute time frame. Okay, I would like to see it retrace at least to, well, where my entry's at least to here before going up. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see here. Using the crypto banter referral link. Check it out. Easy, free money. There you go. Maybe I should try that. Yeah, free money, man. You can't say no to that. Here we go. Here's a retracement. Let's go. That's good. Yeah, I don't trust Banter either. There's some people that like him, but I don't trust him. He sells too much. He's for sell. We'll put it that way. He's for sell. That's what I think. I could be wrong. No idea. I could be wrong. But if y'all have any coins you want me to do, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. This is normally where I just, post charts and answer questions. But since there weren't too many questions or charts, we just went ahead and started playing. And right now we're playing with leverage. We turned this $10 account to a $25 account, to a $35, to back to a 10, then to a 40, then back to a 10, then to a 50, and then down to 35, and then 32, now 35. So, let's see here. CJ says it's $100 for just putting your phone number and another $100 for depositing into futures account. That's pretty good. Doesn't care what the phone number deal, because they sell your phone number. And to me, the phone number, I don't know. See here, Banter Shields, so many coins. They are giving, yeah, big time. Come on down to the Price is Right. Let's go. See here, you're not wrong, Joe. Yeah, as far as him shilling stuff. Yeah, he's definitely a shiller, but I love Rand because he gave me $10,000 a couple years ago. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, you won one of his things? I would always watch him doing that when he was giving away money. That's cool, man. I used to watch Banter all the time in 2022. Can't deal with it anymore. You can probably get a week's link from someone else. Let's see here. Then they made a meme and rugged their own community. Oh, Banter did? Oh, that sucks. And he's already got money. Why would he want to do that? Come on, get it. I'm afraid it's going to come up from here. Get it. Oh, my liquidation is at 1.5. So I'm gonna get liquidated already. So let me add my money to it. I didn't realize that. Come on. Oh my God, for the love of God, please. Please let me add my money. Please, come on. It's stalling out on me. $7. Ooh, I don't want to do that much. Oh, come on, $5. I want to do $4. Oh, it's gonna. Oh no, what am I doing? Not there. I want to do it at this price. For the love of God, please. $4. And right now I'm just pushing buttons. I want to get in on this. I want to get on that dip. Let me close out this one because I don't know how much money is in that one. Oh my gosh. This is crazy frustrating. 29, 31, 60. Wow, I can't do nothing. I can't type or nothing. Let's see, 3, 6. Oh my gosh, let me put a 6 in, please. 6, and then $5. Let me see, did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? So we're at $2 down here. Oh, you can't see nothing. We're at $2 down here, and it's gonna go right now. Let me go $4, $5. Let me try it. Let me try it. I'm not gonna do it because my bid's right there. Hopefully I can come get it really quick. Hopefully I don't get. Yeah. Okay. All right, here we go. Get it, get it, get it, get it. All right, let's see here. See here. Did you win one of the wallets airdrops, CJ? Exactly, not getting into a for the phone number. Even Aldo might have a weak link. Joe, can we check B3? Yeah, definitely. Come on, get this. Get it. Get it. So let's put this over here. Let's go to this so we can kind of monitor it. Take this off. Go here. And let's click on this. So let me know if the $2 increases. Because right now we're at $2. If the $2 increases, this right here margin, the $2 increases, that means that the lower bid hit. Okay. Let's see here. So we're going to look at a coin, and I believe it was B3. So over here, let's go B3, B3, USDT. This is on MEXC. Oh, it hit our stop loss. We had entered it, it hit our stop loss. Ouch, that one hurts. B3. Doesn't look good. We have to wait for it to break this level. Let's delete everything. 43 drawings, get out of here. Let's come over here to this. It needs to break this level. If it doesn't break this level, we wait again. Because it broke this level. We did not want it to break this level. So the level that we needed to break above is this one right here. So let's go to this over here. Coordinates, copy. Let's go to this. Paste. Wait for 1. So that's B3. You don't want to enter it down here because it could come up here, get rejected, come back down, bring a double top, or continuing the downtrend. That's my opinion on that. Let's see here. We're still at $2, so we're at negative 60. Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up. Dang it, I missed it. And if it wasn't for the delay on my screen right now, I would be in the positive by like positive 2% or something. But because I was putting in double the amount, so first I put $2 in, and I was trying to put in $4, and so that way it'll cut that in half. And that's, but hopefully it'll get my lower entry. We'll see. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Melissa says, I didn't buy any, but I'm so dumb that I got an airdrop. Well, was up almost $300 and I didn't catch it out. Hey, if it would have been $30,000 value right now, you'd be really happy that you didn't catch it out. It's always after the fact that we say, ah, man, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But if it would have been 30,000 right now, you'd be, man, I'm glad I didn't catch it out. Kelly says, so many coins I didn't cash out when it was up. Yeah. And that's the thing too. Like, don't kick yourself in the butt for it. I mean, because we didn't know. Like, it could have continued going up or doing a small retrace 15, 20% before continuing to go up. But instead, it just went to the downside. See here, I didn't think I was gonna get it, but he sent me a form and then it showed up in my MetaMask wallet, cashed it right out. Blew me away. That's awesome, man. Congrats, dude. I said all or nothing and got nothing. Yeah. Hey, I've done the same. It's all good. See here, congrats. That's a big win. 10,000? Shoot, man. Yeah, same here. Kelly says, I think I'd love Rand after that too. Same. Oh yes, guys, thank you so much for hitting the like. Right now, we're just having some fun. We're doing some leverage trades. If you have any questions, if you want me to do charts, we can do charts. But right now, I'm just having fun doing some leverage trades. The only thing I've ever won. See here. See, what coin is Joe looking at right now? That one was Kyoto, I guess. See, that's some serious money. Sure was. 10 grand. See here, Kyoto? Yeah, never heard of it. Yeah, it's a new coin. It just got listed. Now this, man, it's been on Twitter, and AIXBT has been tweeting about it for a few weeks now. And so there's a thing called Mindshare. Mindshare is what Cookie.fun, that Cookie has its site and it tells you what people are talking about. So that way you can see, oh, there's more Mindshare on this particular coin, so more people are talking about it. Let me enter this coin. Hopefully it goes up. And sure enough, more than likely it goes up. Now this Kyoto one, this is like 1,000 times better than the Mindshare on Cookie. And you need 10,000 Cookie tokens to pretty much stake it to use the premium features, which is awesome. Then for Kyoto, that one is like 1,000 times better than Cookie.fun. However, it's also like 1,000 times more expensive. I think it's like $1,000 per month to use that. And it has a super AI aggregation thing that sees, certain people what they're posting. And so you can make a lot of money potentially with it, because the influencers who are talking about coins or doing whatever, they're going to be pushing that coin. And it's like $1,000 a month though. No, thank you. Yeah, that's cool. See here. Thanks. I was freaking out. That was more than I had in my bank account at the time. Hey, 10 grand, man. New meme on Mexi. See, I'm going to short pie. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I mean, I feel Rand means, well, most of the time I do think. I like to see good in people. But as his channel grew, I think he focused on the money. And that's the sad part too. Like, money doesn't change people. Money reveals them. And like, it's amazing to see what money reveals. And there's a lot of people, man, a lot of people that is like, wow, I would never have thought. Yeah, that's pretty sad. See here, they shill a lot now, but they also give a lot back. The guy with the red hair, he was good at TA and spot on, then rugged him to something internally. Really? They got into a fight on a live stream. Ooh, drama. Maybe because Ren is always interrupting people. I haven't watched it forever. I feel so lost. Kyle Drops is a good trader, or Dupes is a good trader. Then they got too many people. See here. Hard to call the tops, yes. Annie from Trade Travel Chill. I like her. She's cool. Yeah, I just said that. I like her. She's cool. It's not gambling. Going to 0. Ouch. All over that story, CJ. And she does, there's like a lot of stuff that, to me, I think she makes it too complicated. I really do. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that she looks at, and the answer is still, it could go up or it could go down. Even with all that information that she does, it can still go up or down. So I think it's just too much, in my opinion. See, too many amazing people to watch. Fiber Academy takes like half the day. 5 shows, I'm telling you. See, I love Fiber Academy, but if you watch it all, it's like full-time job. Yeah. I joined the Trade Travel Chill Discord for free. Signed up for an exchange with her link and got access to trade alerts after that. Hey, there you go. YouTube is a full-time job. See, does she have her own Discord? Yeah, all that's in her in every single one of the videos, it's in there. Her trading is complicated. It takes a long time to learn. Yeah, see, and that's, to me, that's a trick, in my opinion. Because if it takes you a long time to learn, well, then you're in the group a long time. And the group being in there a long time, you're paying every month. And if you're not paying every month, well, you're in there because of the link. And because of the link, you're trading and she's getting referrals. So, I mean, you're still paying without really knowing it. But yeah, it just makes it like I was watching some of her stuff and it's like, okay, like she goes into all the Excel charts and everything. I was like, okay, but this answer still, it could go up or down. You know, and then, so here's the trick. Like, watch her and then compare her stuff to what I say. And perfect example right here on this chart. I broke it down, what, in a minute? You don't want to enter right now. I don't need Excel charts. I don't need anything. I don't need point of control. I don't need moving averages. I don't need volume. It needs to break this level. It's literally that simple. It needs to break this level. Why? Everything else that you're using for tools or Excel charts or heat maps or liquidity or anything, it doesn't matter if we don't break this level. We create a higher high and then a higher low. What are we doing? We're changing the trend. It's literally that simple. But everybody tries to complicate it, and they do a really good job at it too. But if you just break it down, let's say price comes up here. Well, what happened? You had your money flow go up. You had your open interest go up. You have your RSI above the 50. You have the, let's say there was bullish divergence. So now you have bullish divergence. You have your point of control. Let's just say it's right here. Well, guess what? Now your price is above it. Like all these things that show everything. You have your liquidity. You know, this is an area of liquidity. You have just everything. Name anything, all that, or price is higher than its previous high. Very, very, I break it down super easy. And then what you want is you want to retrace, because what goes up should come down. You want to retrace and you want to break out of this level. It literally comes down to that. So do me a favor, watch her and watch all the complicated things and all the big fancy words and everything. At the end of the big old speech, whether it's her or anybody else for that matter, what has to be done? This high has to be broken. It's literally that easy. We are making it way harder than it has to be. Way harder. This high has to be broken. And let me know. Let me know. Like all the stuff that she teaches and everybody else teaches and everything, all the different indicators and everything, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, the ECOFLOW, everything. None of that matters if we don't get a higher high. None of it. And you literally wasted hours and hours and hours and hours of your life and trying to figure out everything when all you need is the price to come up. And everything that you learn, price could come up and come down. So what we do is we wait for it to come up. And come down, come up, break the level, boom, you're done. That's just my thought process. Like I said, I keep everything super simple. This took me a minute. Nope, I can do it. You gotta break this level. Set your alert right here if you want, blah, 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 4-hour time frame. And you're good. Let's see here. Okay. Melissa says, let's see, what does Melissa say? See here. I like that style though. She uses vector candles and her trades are well planned out. The weeks, she breaks things down. Yeah, she knows what she's talking about. All right, so vector candles. Come over here and you type in Traders Reality. Traders Reality. Let's see. Traders Reality main. This is right here. Okay. So now let me change my candles to gray so we can stand up. Oh, let me adjust all this because I don't want to see all this stuff. Let's come over here. Let's go to inputs. Let's go to, style. Take off the boxes. Take that off. I just want to see the candles. Say okay. Okay. So what do the vector candles tell me? The vector candles, they tell me that the market makers are pushing the price. Awesome. So here, market makers are pushing it up. So does that mean, well, this is not a good, this is not a good one to do. Let's do ETH, USDT. Let's do on Coinbase. And let me adjust this again. Take off the clouds. See if they come off. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. So what do these candles tell me? These candles tell me that market makers are pushing the price up. But just because they're pushing it up, that doesn't mean that the price is going to come down. It could come down, doesn't mean that it will. There's a lot, man, I can break down all this stuff for you. So same thing with this, like they were pushing it down, market makers, pushing it down, okay? So then, it comes up. Here we have our box, but it got touched. Here we have another box that hasn't been touched. The price didn't go all the way up. It came up to where the price wants to come up. There's a lot of stuff I can do, but this takes like another hour. So yeah, a little complicated. Yeah, but you can tell though, she knows what she's doing. That I have to give it to her. Because there's a lot of people that try to get complicated, but you can tell they don't know what they're doing. She knows what she's doing. Let's see here. I like so many styles. She has a good Discord. The traders she hires are good. And that's what you want. And you can, hopefully you can spot them really quick. If they're good or if they're not. Oh no, I'm being circled by cats. What does that mean? That means good luck. Just Joe, do you like vector candles? Yeah, I do. I used to trade them a lot, and then I got burned. Because I thought they were gonna come up. Sometimes they would, sometimes they wouldn't. Let me put on the, again, it's gonna take me too much time. But yeah, matter of fact, this is one of my, presets. Is 0? Is it 1? Is it this one? Is it my trader reality main? Yeah. Oh, I have it. So this is one of my presets. So I have this with a session volume profile, I believe. Yeah. Here are boxes, but these boxes, I mean, this is areas of interest. It doesn't mean that it's going to go up there, but if it does start coming up, well, then these are areas. But I mean, I can just see it. I can just look to the left and I can see the imbalance. I can see the fair value gap from this 1 candle to 3 candle, 1, 2, and 3. I can see all this stuff. And just because it changed the color, that doesn't mean that it's going to continue going up. It could come back down to get them, or it could continue going. That's how I got burned. Let me see if I can find one. Okay, like here. So here, price is doing its thing. It broke this level. All of a sudden, this is when I would enter the trade. But they're green candles. Vectors, market makers. So what does that mean? Market makers are pushing it up. Why? To push it back down. Okay, doesn't mean that it will happen right now. And it comes down a little bit, and sure enough, starts going up again. And market makers, they're still here, and they're pushing it down a little bit. Then it's coming up. They're pushing it up. Okay, like looking at this, I'll say, well then price is going to probably come down because they're pushing it up just so that people can continue to buy so they can push it back down again. And then same thing here. Well, this one gets eaten up. This one gets eaten up because there was a block here, but it got this taken away. See how we have the blocks here? These blocks haven't been taken up. So when it came down here, like it could come up here to get these blocks and then come back down, but it didn't. It came down, then came up, and then came back down again. Market makers are pushing it down, pushing it down, pushing it down. And then now it's coming up. Okay, this would lead me to believe we're gonna come up to this and this and this, do a V-shaped recovery. And it doesn't. Comes up here, comes down. So I used to, but I don't do it anymore. I got burnt too many times relying on the vectors. Let's see here. She has a lot of good little tips on stuff like the price moves on session opens, etc. It's because of volume, but like price moves all the time. Now, granted, like if you have more people trading, then yeah. So people like trading on, and I have it on this one. Yeah. So I have the sessions here: London session, Asia, and let me see if I can find that one for you. So it's a sessions countdowns, quant view, I guess, VUE. Let me take a screenshot of this. We can see that's something. So this is the indicator that has this right here. But for me, the market's always moving. Sometimes you'll get it in the morning, sometimes you get it in the afternoon, sometimes you get it in the evening. So what I do is I set my alerts, and this answers the question, what time do I trade on? Do I trade on the New York Open? Do I trade on the London session? I trade when my alerts go off, because that means volume's coming in. That means, trades are coming to me. That's what I do. Let's see here. I guess they were trying to tell me to go to bed. Yeah, it sucks that my lower entry didn't hit. Because right now we're at -10. I mean, -10. And I would have been up like +40. And that really, really sucks, man. I could have been in big on this one. Dang it. See, now they are blocking the screen and knocking things off the desk. Uh-oh, they're telling you to go to sleep. Joe, you have a point. I try to use the most things of Confluence at the possible, but without confusing myself by doing so much. Art says, I agree with you. Don't need all these indicators and all the things. Having a plan is the best. Need a plan better. Joe and Road Dog are helping me with that. Learning a lot watching them. Nice, Kelly. See here, very nice. Joe and Road Dog are great at reminding you to manage risk. I'm buying more each bar. There you go. You just taught me something. How do I make presets? I have videos, man. I have videos, so many videos. I actually have a video series, and I'll show you. I'm not gonna just leave you like that. But I actually have a video series on TradingView, or rather about TradingView. It's a 4-part series, and it's right here. Part 4 of 4, 3 of 4, 2 of 4, 1 of 4. And I go over how to do presets, I cover like 99.5% of the stuff that's on TradingView. And, you know, I don't do like a 4, I mean, I break it down, and these are very quick for all the stuff I cover. Like, it's crazy. But to do presets, let's say you have the indicators that you want on your screen. Then you come over here to this little square. Once you click on the square, you say save preset template. Then you name it whatever you want. Then you come back over here and you click on this indicator template. And then you go and you put a star by it. And if you put a star by it, then it you can name it, but it only does the first character. So then you can name it whatever you want. Like here I have clean, and it only shows the C. And if you want them reorganized, well, then you have to unstar it, and then unstar all of them really, and then star how you want it in order. And then every time you click on one of these, is my clean one, boom, clean. You want this one, boom, it has these on here. You want X marks the spot, which is the chart prime indicators, boom, gives you this. If you want M, I don't know what M is, then it has this. So this, it has my vectors on the bottom as volume. And yeah. Let's see here. H-bar is a good performer. I want more. There you go. I want more of everything. Yes, same here. I want more XRP, H-bar, XLM, Algo, Jupiter, AMP, ADA, and STX. Yeah, nice choices. Just past 20,000 XRP, and I still don't have enough. Hey, there you go. Let's see here. I wish it could have been buying XRP and not Crow. LOL. My goal was 100,000 Crow. I didn't make it, but XRP would have been a better choice. You know, and it's always after the fact. Like, we never know. We never know. Oh, this one's coming down again. This one now may hit it. Oh, what happened here? How come you didn't enter it? Oh, I barely missed it. Oh, that sucks. Look how close I got on this one and this one. Man, that sucks. Ooh-wee. Because I would have definitely taken profit again. Because my entry would have been about right here or lower. So I would have definitely taken profit again. Right now we got double top or lower high. So now I'm guessing it's going to come down to here. So this one will hit for sure. And in my opinion, I think it'll do this. Take off the magnet tool. It's messing up so much. I think it's going to come down to about here, which would put me in line with my VWAP, and then hopefully come up. We'll see. See here, I sold on my Crow last top of the cycle. Nice. I like Crow. I think it has more upside. It does, but I was hoping it would do better. Might be a long-term hold for me. Have to take something off the top. Unfortunately, no buying anything above 2.68 on XRP. Yeah, so I'm gonna be really surprised to see how many people buy. Here we go, coming in for the win. There we go. So I got it. So my margin is now 750, and I'm only down 15%. I was down like 50 or whatever it was. Here we go. Here we go. Things just got interesting. Things just got interesting. Can y'all see my screen? Let me move this up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't think I can see all the screen. You cannot see all of the screen. Now you can. Should we even pull this up? Can I pull it down? Can pull it down? Oh. Let's see here. True joke. We never know. Yeah, we never know. We never know. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's get some of them crazy gains again. Okay, my liquidation is 141. Okay, so I'm gonna do this right here, 147. We'll go 146. No. 147. Nope. 147. Do 147. And that's 750. We have to put 15. We'll do that. 18. Buy long, 147. So what I do is I double. And that's why I start off really low. I go $2, hoping that it comes down, and then I put $4. Well, right now I'm in 750. So I have to put at least $15. And I think I put it for 18. I have to do at least $15. So that way it reduces my liquidation. And also, instead of being negative 70%, now I'm negative like 20%. But you can only do that so many times before you, well, run out of money, and then you get liquidated for everything. That's not good. That chart is ridiculous. LOL. I wish I held onto my XRP. Sold most of it last cycle. 1 in 120. That is good. Are you kidding me? Man, that's good. See, maybe a 3x. That would have been long-term. Time to hold. Yep. Yep. Very true. Very true. Yeah. I did not sell mine when it reached that 120, and I was telling everybody to sell theirs, but I didn't even sell mine. But like for me, my initial plan was to hold it till we hit $3 and $5. So if it was going to be that cycle or the next cycle, I just wait. And it looks like it's going to be this cycle. So I'm hoping it goes to $5, maybe even $7. That'd be crazy. The market cap. The market cap for XRP is 13 trillion, kabillion dollars. What? Yeah. If I was just starting on XRP, I would be buying, and as it drops, buy as it goes down. It may come down first before it goes up. There we go. Let's go pump. Let's go pump. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Let's go. Let's go. Don't go down. I mean, if you go down, it's fine. But pump it up. Break this level right here, guys. Break this level. Oh, I know what I can do so I can see the screen. See here. Small box left. Nah. Because I have to readjust it too. So like that. Oh, it's gonna come down. Hopefully it comes down to my level down here. There you go. I sold some around 120. That's why I owe on taxes. Ouch. Man, the tax man. Where is it? The Philippines is where I'm going. Just pay your taxes, Joe. The Philippines is calling me. Or what's the place close to here? I don't even know. But hopefully, I don't even know. That's crazy. Like, you make all this money. So first, when you get your money, you pay taxes on it, or taxes are taken out, rather. Taxes are taken out. Then whenever you buy anything, well, everything's taxed. But then when you're going to do an investment, well, they can't tax you on your investment. But if you make money off of it, which that's the goal, then you get more money out. But because you got more money out, now you have to pay taxes again on your own money. It doesn't make any sense. It really doesn't make any sense. And then they want like 40%, 45% of it or whatever it is. It's like, man, I only increased my value of 85%. And here you want 45% of it? Like, man, that doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. Been holding and DCA and since the day the lawsuit was announced. Nice. Yeah. Taxes. Kelly, appreciate you very much. Ooh. Giving a dog a bath. Hopefully the dog likes the bath. I've seen a lot of videos that they don't. Give a dog a bath. Don't say too loud. You'll have to, yeah. See, I'm back from seeing my clients. Very nice, G-Valley. Appreciate you for being here. Greatly appreciate you coming back. Good to see you still going. Yeah, right now we're just kind of kicking back, answering questions, going over charts, having some fun, playing with some leverage. DGen play right now. This is Kayato, I guess. So yeah, little dog won't be so excited. Let's do something. Come on, just pump already. Pump so we can get this over with. Pump it up. You want to see the break of this level? Oh yeah, I forgot. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna want to see the break of this level right here. In essence, we really don't want to see the break of this level, but we kind of need to in order for it to come down here and get our lower bid, which would be just above our VWAP. But we'll see. Here we go. Pump City. Pump it up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I like what I'm seeing. Keep it going. Keep it going. Break through this level. Break through this level and then make these wicks look like they're nothing. Just go up, down, and whoop, to the moon, to the moon. Let's go. Let's go. Just having some fun here. Let's go. If you're new to the channel, definitely make sure to smash the like, follow, all that fun stuff. We go over crypto, we go over Bitcoin, we go over everything. Oh, are we pumping? Right now, Kayato is origami Kayato. Mr. Roboto. Let's go. Oh, I keep on forgetting y'all can't see. Don't do a red. Come on, go green. You know you want to go green. Just go green. You know you want to. See here. Where we go, midnight pumps. It's right about midnight pumps. Let's go. I knew it should have bought at $4, now $8.30. What's at 8.30? I knew it should have bought Bera. Oh, Bera. Yeah, I saw that coin. I think I did some research on it. I don't know. Yes, definitely, guys. Like, share, comment. Oh, let's go. Come on. Break above that white. Stay above that white line. Break above the 164.88. It wants to fight. It wants to fight very, very bad. It wants to fight very, very bad. Barra, yeah. See, one of my favorite bands. Oh, stupid. What, Barra? Barra's the band? All right, so here's some trivia for y'all. Let me put it. I'll make it easy. I'll make it easy. So 1 second. Let's see here. Okay. One second. Un momento. Wants to go up. All right. So I just put it in the chat. This is a new poll. A new poll. So let's see if any of y'all get it right. But let's go. Come on. Show me that candle turn to green. It wants to turn green. It really does. It wants to turn green, and let's go. Very, very. This is like I don't think anybody's gonna get it right. It's gonna be a guess, and the guess may be correct, but I don't think anybody knows. Unless you've been watching me for like 3 or 4 years from my other channel. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. Come on, it wants to pump. Right now it's getting me worried. Now it's like, where's all the momentum? Where is all the momentum? Now I'm afraid of a dump. I am afraid of a dump. It disappeared. I still have it. Oh, so you're voting, Smashing Pumpkins? So I'll give it about one more minute. One more minute for y'all to vote. Right now we have Nirvana in the lead, 67%. Soundgarden, 33%. And then we have a vote from RS Miller to the Smashing Pumpkins. All right. There we go. We got another vote for Smashing Pumpkins. It keeps on disappearing. Come on, Green. Come on, Green. You get me worried now. So, okay, you refreshed it and got back. Okay, good. Come on, Green. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we got about a minute for the votes, and then we're gonna go and see. We got more viewers than voters. Come on, guys, vote. See here. See, Sia says, I know that feeling, Joe. When I enter trades, I often all of a sudden get hit with doji candles right down. Come on, here we go. Here we go. Told you it wanted to go up. Let's do it. Let's do it. We got a few more votes coming in. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's do this. It really wants to go. Just pump already. Right now, it is worrying me because before it was very active, very, very active. And now it's not so active. Yeah, I'm still in the same time frame. 5 minutes, yeah. All right, so the voting is going to be closed in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So the voting has ended. And let's see here. What is my favorite band? Nirvana. 40% of y'all said Nirvana. 20% said Soundgarden. 20% said Tool. And 20% said the Smashing Pumpkins. Now, all of these were great bands. Absolutely great bands. My favorite band of all time, there's a lot of great ones, is Tool. Absolutely love Tool. Absolutely love Tool. One of my favorite songs, my all-time favorite songs from Tool is Sober. Love that song. Like if you listen to that song and you hear the words, it's like, wow. I love that song, man. Love that song so much. See, the scary part is I can make XRP go down right now if I sold my holdings. Yep. Yep. Very true. See, I bought my XRP at 330, then bought it back at 308 right before it dumped. Ouch. Take one. Wow. Melissa, take one for the team. RS Miller. That's funny. Never heard of them. Let's see. What? Never heard of them. I should have picked that one. RS Miller. Man, Tool. It's a bad group right there, man. You don't know what you're missing out on. But yeah, the song Sober. Man. Favorite song. Yeah, they have a lot of great songs. Let's see here. Why do exchanges delist trading? That's a very good question. Why do exchanges delist trading pairs? Well, the reason they delist them is because there's nobody trading on them. Nobody trading them. The exchanges, they make money from the fees, from the buys and the sells. And normally, like when coins are on exchange, they have bots right away. The project has bots buying and selling. So there you see activity. You see activity on the order books right here. You see activity here. But if nobody's buying the coin, then the exchange isn't making money. So what they'll do is they'll say, okay, we're going to delist it. Or they put it on an ST, which is, I forget what what it stands for, but it's on a pretty much a like a probation period. And if the exchange doesn't get more volume trading that coin, then they start saying, okay, we're going to delist it in a week or whatever it is. A great question. Ooh, nice. CJ, you just became my favorite. You didn't even know it. I think we're best friends now. You just became my favorite. Yeah. I might see a band tonight. Hey, there you go. Did you say Tool is playing in... Did you see Tool is playing in... No, I haven't kept up with them live. There. So I love Tool and... What's the other band? I haven't seen that band in forever. Man, I can't think of their name right now. Slipknot. Oh man, they're really good together, really good. But the good old days, the good old days. Now I don't like all of Slipknot songs, but there's a few of them that I do like. But yep, yes indeed. Come on, break through that white line. Go to the other side. Let's go. But yeah, love me some Tool, Slipknot, and of course all the other ones too, like Pearl Jam and everything. I love Slipknot back in the day. Let's see there. Yeah, Seether I used to like too. But yep, back in the good old days. Yeah, same thing with Green Day. So like the M2, those were a good one. And it was really cool too, because back in the day, like nobody sounded like anybody. You know, when when all these groups were starting to come out, like everybody sounded the same. And then like when the 80s came, like it was the hair rock band. They sounded different, Poison and all those other ones. And then of course now they all sounded the same. And then there was something different, and then like a different sound. And then, so it was pretty cool. Yeah. Blink-182. Yeah. And a lot of great bands. But it's crazy though. Like you would buy their albums or whatever, and they will get like 10 cents on the dollar, and then of course they get taxed, and then they have to pay back the fees, and it's so like you would think that they're like rolling in it, and actually like the record companies are the ones rolling in it. It's crazy. See, they're all back together. I missed the tour. Blink-182, Incubus. Yeah, the good old days when all we had to worry about was coming home before, certain time. And now it's like, man, I gotta pay my house payment, gotta pay my car payment, gotta pay the insurance. How much was the light bill? Turn off all the lights, guys. And we're gonna use candles, rechargeable little lanterns. Times have changed. Incubus. Yep. Look at the base. Oh yeah, Lincoln Park. Yeah, I love Lincoln Park. I love all those songs. Yep. Right now, this coin's worrying me. It's losing its mojo. Like, look at this huge pump and then sell off. Got it. Huge pump, a little bit of sell off, and now look at the size of these candles. I'm not liking it. Did we get in here? We got in here, right? Yeah, we got in here. Man, we got it in perfect timing. Because look at all these candles, and then we saw it right here. We entered, or wherever it was, and whoop, sold it, and then got in again. Just need to pump. Not gonna lie though, I'm getting worried. Red Hot Chili Peppers. Saw Incubus last year. Very nice. Nice. All right, Miller. You're a youngin', I can tell. Man, I'm getting worried. I'm afraid I'm going to sell. And as soon as I sell, it's going to pump. I'm selling. My intuition is telling me to sell. Oh, man. I just don't like it. So Alt J. I'm trying to label where I did it. It was like at 160. It was right here that I sold. I like doing this just so I can like make a mental note. And I'm just not liking it. Because it's losing its momentum. It's losing its, like here, we had a chance to come up. Okay, I get it. Then here we had a chance to break it, got rejected. Then here it's getting like weaker. It didn't even close. It didn't even close like up here. And then now it's starting to cross my 9 SMA. We may come all the way down to here now. I think for sure we're gonna break this level. Like if we don't go up and we start coming down, I think for sure we're gonna break this level. That's just my thought process. I mean, we got $2 out of it, which is better than losing 7. Anytime you can win anything, it's better than losing anything. And this one I would have lost like minimum, probably like I probably would have cut it short, maybe like at $2, and then I would have left this open to see if it hits it. Let's see. Let's watch it pump. Oh, I love Journey. Not sure if I saw that right now. Red Hot Chili Peppers. Who needs the lights? Nobody needs lights. Yep, Blink-182. Go to a lot of concerts. Yep. See, spent way too much money. Should have been buying crypto. Yeah. LOL. $20 beers, $50 t-shirts. Yeah. But it's the environment, it's the fun, it's the people, it's the noise, it's the crowd, it's, you know, it's everything. In the form of time of Journey, Beach Boys, yeah, Kiss, Chicago, Styx, yeah. Oh, okay. I thought you were a youngin'. You're not a youngin'. You're not a youngin'. Oh man, I love Journey. Very nice. Oh, now we're looking good. Let's go $2. Man, come on. Please. Right here. And we'll do a stop loss. We'll do a tight stop loss of right here. Long 1.5847. So 50 cents. We can try that. Let's try it. We'll lose 50 cents. And if we lose, we lose. It is what it is. So the reason I'm saying yes now is because now we have a green that closed above this. We're having this buying pressure here, and it's a shot. And if we lose, then we just stop and then we just wait to see if it can come out here. But I'm pretty sure the stream will be over by then. Let's see here. Summer Days Music Festival next month. Hey, there you go. Volume has really dropped on all the alts. Really? How's Bitcoin looking? Oh, wrong one. Oh, wrong one. Oh, Bitcoin's still going up. Point of control. I really thought for sure. Oh, we haven't made it yet. Almost gonna meet it. Man, I'm glad I got stopped out of my short though. That would have made me lose a little bit more money. See here. Your trading tuition says no. I know. I have no more dip buying. Tell me about it. Went to Milwaukee Beer Festival back in '85. Seen over 200 singers and bands in one weekend. Wow. You name them, they were there. Yep. That's crazy. Seen Journey back in '84 in Seattle and Las Vegas and overseas in France. Wow. Very cool. Let's see here. Bitcoin rejecting at value area high 98.4. You called it. You called it. That POC is the macro volume area high. Oh, nice. Global market cap is way up. Uh-oh. I get stopped out. 50 cents. Not bad. I mean, we won, what, $4 on this trade? 480? Something like that. Our first trade and then this last trade. We can give it back 50 cents. It's okay. It is a-okay. Yeah, same here, CJ. Love Journey, man. Beer Fest for the military was free. Oh, here we go. Stop Out City. Stop Out City. Population +1. Plus one. But, man. Yeah. Concerts were a good time. Yeah, there's a lot of things I've done where I spend way too much money. You know, I had a lot of free time when I was not working. And for me, workaholic, you know, work 30, 40 hours overtime, registered nurse, bukus of money. And I spent it frivolously, if that's a word. I spent it just nothing I can show for it. Nothing but good times. And looking back on it, it's like, man, if I would have only put, shoot, man, half of the money I just blew, just half of it into crypto. Man, At that time, I didn't know about crypto, but still, that's no excuse. Just anything but except what I was doing. And I was having a lot of fun though. But, man, shoot, good times. I start to feel like I missed something good. Dip buys. Hope it dips again. It might, if we get this Bitcoin breaking, key levels, yeah, we're gonna be able to buy these alts. You would think that they can come down another 50, 60, 70%. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Stop out. Stop out. Come on. Just get it over with. Pull the Band-Aid. Just get it over. Close my eyes. Close my eyes. We gave it a shot. We tried one more time. Only because it changed. It looked like it was going to start going up, but not today. Geez, same here, JV. Why not? You haven't missed anything yet, CJ. You are just very, very, very early right now. Yes. Very true. Very, very true. Stop out city population +1. Boop. Done. Now let's see it break this level with no hesitation. It's just going to dump city right now. And I'm not going to short it. I'm just going to wait. Well, I'm not going to wait. That's going to be the end of the stream. But watch. I just want to show you dump city right now. It's going to break this level. It's not even going to bounce on this. It's just going to boop, come down to here. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think it's gonna get this support. I think it's just gonna roll over. Let's see. Every time I think I miss out, I somehow. There are dips all the time and opportunities all the time. Well said. Well said. I was waiting to buy Sonic cheaper, and now it's back at $1. Should have bought it at 30 cents. Ouch. See, what's up with Elon? He is on the TV with sunglasses. I saw that. I saw that. A gold chain and a chain. Yeah, I saw that too. Yeah. I don't know. You know how they do the memes with the sunglasses and the chain? I think he was doing that so people can do memes about him. I don't know. Let's see. Crypto's like watching waves coming in. Yep. Midlife crisis? Possible? Yeah, that's fine. Well, it didn't dump, but I'm not trading this one anymore. We already made our money, and I'm happy with what we made. So that should do it. All right, guys. Well, I do thank you once again for hanging out with me. Appreciate you greatly. This one was a 2.5-hour show, which I wasn't planning on that. But I do thank you guys very much. You guys are the best. And we'll see you tomorrow. And of course, I'm going to be going live. Well, later on today, I'm going to be going live on my channel at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Is today Friday? Because it's a new day right now. Oh, it is Friday. So I'm also going to be on Crypto Coin Mindsets channel at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Crypto Coin Mindset. And there we just kind of kick back. We talk about coins. We talk about the environment. We talk about everything that pretty much happened throughout the week. So definitely invite y'all to come check us out there. And I do thank you guys very much. See you in the next one. Until then, let's rock out and let's make this money. Take care, guys. No commercial. No commercial. Hey, we got, man, you're the best. You are the best. Super chat. Appreciate you greatly, very much, Mr. EW. You are the best. Today was pretty fun. We talked. We traded. See here. He's trying out things he's never had before. Yep, very true. See here, waves. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, they are like waves. They keep on smacking me in the face and knocking me down. Who's done that before? Get knocked down with the waves? That's funny. That's pretty close to the 8-hour show. LOL. That's funny. Bitcoin looking good. Oh, let's go. Let's go. All right. Good night, guys. You guys are the best. We'll see you on the next one. And thank you, everybody who gave super chats. It really does help support the channel. You guys are the best. We'll see you next time. Take care.